we're steadily doing upgrades to this 1965 Chevelle SS. It belongs to my neighbor Bobby, and his best friend bought it new. Right here local in town, about 5 minutes away from us. A couple of years ago, me and my buddy Wesley got this thing running after been sitting since 1986. The motor was completely locked up. It's a small block 327, Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt rear, black on black car. It's super cool. And since we got it running, my neighbor Bobby has been driving it every day. I love it that he's so excited about it, to the point where he did so many burnouts around town that he blew up the transmission, and I had to rebuild it on a previous episode. So far, we've put a new fuel tank in it, new fuel lines, new brake lines. I did a disc brake conversion up front. Swapped out the intake, new carburetor, long tube headers. You know, slowly been making it better, and that's what we're going to do now. I have a Hurst Competition Plus shifter to go in here. We got brand new mufflers to put on it, so that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to get it on the rack, rip the old shifter out, but first I want to see what kind of throw we have on the stock shifter, and it's worn out. So we're going to measure from first to second how far it travels, and then once we get the new one in there, we'll see what the difference is. So right now, let's get it on the rack and get it torn apart. You may notice it's a little bright out here. That's because we finished our carport, and my buddy Bert and Brandon put up 14 LED lights that lights up the entire property. All the cars can sit out here out of the weather, and we can work on stuff inside. It's such a game changer. And we have a welding outlet power right out here on the front pole. So we have an air line right inside the front door here. It's going to be good. Also, we dug the Model A out. I don't know if many of you have seen this car. We built this car on Faster with Newbern and Cotton, a complete frame-off build in 4 days. We raced my dad's 34 Ford with Clay Milliken driving my dad's car, and I was just there to watch. It was an awesome time. This has the 347 small block Ford out of the Claremont that we built on the show. We had it rebuilt after Corey LaJoy blew all the rings out of the motor, racing around the track. It's got a T5 5-speed in it. Speedway chassis, 9-inch Ford, disc brakes all around. It's a bad little hot rod, so we're going to be working on this thing on the channel as well. Lucas got a motorcycle lift from Wrenchers, and this is a total game changer for Lucas because he was inside. You know, we were fighting over space in the shop, but now it can live here out of the weather. He's been building bikes left and right. I freaking love it. You have to check out his channel too. It's called Lucas Full Throttle. Right now, I want to measure just how far the shifter travels from first to second gear. So when we put the new one in, see how much shorter it is. Right there. About 7 inches. Okay. Now we have a number to go by. So let's go ahead and take this off. And then that'll slip right through the boot there. Is that good? Here, check that. Is it good? When I threw the headers on here, I didn't have enough pipe to actually build a good exhaust, so I just pieced a bunch of stuff together temporarily and just dumped it right here under the floor. He caught this one on a speed bump and ripped it off the car. So he's just been cruising with one muffler. So we're gonna fix that, and I'm gonna tuck it up, make it look really nice, and put the mufflers back here where they belong. Probably just turn it down right here in front of the axle. You don't want tailpipes on it. First, let's open the new shifter, make sure it's all there, and take all this stuff off. I don't know if you guys have priced shifters lately. I wasn't aware they were so expensive, but the shifter and the installation kit, like the rods and all the hardware, was $930. Like, holy crap. Does it shift for you? I mean, he better not ever miss another shift. Just look at it. It's a beautiful thing. Number one, remove stock shifter and linkage. You got it. There's the old one from 1965. There's the new one. We're not getting rid of this because it's original to the car. We're just gonna set it to the side. Tighten all bolts securely. Install the shifter onto mounting plate. Tighten mounting bolts. Blah, 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 blah. Got it. Got the shifter installed. Pretty straightforward. Very nice setup. And right now, I'm adjusting the shift stops. So you can't pull it too far one direction and damage the transmission. I've already got in the car and kind of ran it through the gears. Feels really nice and smooth. It's definitely shorter than the old one that was in there. Hadn't measured it yet, but once we get the car back down on the ground, we'll test it and see. These are the bolts that you need to adjust. I marked one flat of the bolt, and all you do, right now it's in third gear. You run the bolt in until it makes contact, back it out one full turn, and then set your lock nut. And you put it in fourth gear and do the same thing to that bolt up there, and that will prevent you from pulling it too hard and breaking something. I'm gonna get those adjusted right now, and then once those are adjusted, it's exhaust time. Here is the mufflers of choice. 2.5 inch, 9 inch race venoms from Black Widow, and an X pipe. 25 degrees. Exhaust is almost done. All I have to do is weld it. Granted, the X pipe was already made. All I had to do was bend 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pieces. But it happened so quickly. I love this machine. So yeah, all I gotta do is make sure all this is dead straight and level, put a couple of hangers at the back, weld it all up. The Chevelle is done. Tomorrow, we test drive, do burnouts, and give it back to Bobby and get his reaction. Exhaust is finished up. My gut tells me it's gonna be pretty loud. If it wasn't 3 o'clock in the morning, I would fire it up, but we'll wait till daylight, let it down, fire it up, and go drive it and see how the new shifter feels and see what this thing sounds like in the RPMs. I can't wait. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, we got to measure. The other shifter traveled 7 inches. Let's see what this one is. Not even 5, almost 5. Damn. So, yeah, 5 inches. So we knocked off 2 inches of travel on the shifter. Oh, that feels so good. And look how cool it looks. Well, if reverse works. Oh yeah. I love it. So I've never used these mufflers with an X pipe. And granted, this 327 is just stock. There's no camshaft in it. Well, aftermarket, you know, there's no work done to it. So let's... Oh. that sounds good. That sounds really good. All right, let's see if the shifter works. Okay. There's reverse. Let's go drive it. I like the way that sounds. Let's go drive this beast and see how this shifter does. Should we do a burnout right here in the driveway? If it breaks right here. Sitting since 1986, just neglected under a carport. Man, they were missing out on a good time. It drives so good. Test drive went well. Nothing broke or fell off that I know of. Now the fun part. This is the part that I love, is giving it back to him. This will be like the third time. The first time was when we first found it and got it running. The second time I did like radiator, long tubes, all kind of work to it. And now this time it's got full exhaust, a badass shifter, and now he can go cruise this thing around and actually sound good. He told me a couple of days ago there's a big car show next weekend. That's why I was kind of pumped to get this thing like more presentable and more drivable. So now he can go and enjoy it even more.
Right, you ready to hear the car and see your new shifter?
I'm ready, bud. Man, look, man, got cold chills.
So we measured the stock shifter.
Oh yeah,
it travels 7 inches, like front to back. That one measured 5, so it knocked off 2 inches of travel.
You know, it used to feel like to go in the back seat.
So then reverse, you just go middle and then pull it all the way over more.
Yeah,
it's like a spring-loaded deal.
Oh yeah.
So you just pull it hard to left.
Sounds awesome,
dude. So you got brand new 2.5-inch exhaust under it with an X pipe, with race venom, black widow mufflers on it, and turn downs. Sick.
It sounds really good. Like, it sounds awesome. And the shifter's so nice.
I love it.
Gee,
It's so quiet in the car. Like when you're just cruising. Number one, you're cruising, the shifter just falls into place. It's like, oh man. But it's so quiet, you can have a conversation.
I mean, the first surprise was the wheels, you know.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's just like,
Yeah.
kind of leave a little speechless, you know, the American racing to the,
Oh yeah.
what I wanted.
Yes. Yeah.
Man, what a gift that was.
The Kragers were on the 55. So, and this was the wheel he originally wanted. So, before I brought it back the second time, I swapped them. And we did like a bunch of engine work to it and then put a new set of wheels on it. So he was like, what? What are we going to do next?
I'm going to blow it up and you're going to get
See,
me a real
told
hot
you.
rod motor.
I told you. I was like, he fully expects this thing to just pop at any second, but he's in for a rude awakening because it doesn't smoke. There's no engine noise. It runs too good. It's got plenty of power. You're going to be waiting a while. Well, I say that. He's probably going to go blow it up tonight.
Probably tear his rear end out now. Like
I thought about that. I was like, I think the next upgrade should be drive shaft, safety loop, like suspension, all the goods. So we went down to Mexico earlier, and if you turn right on the road that leads into Mexico, you'll see a patch of black marks, then there's a little gap, then you'll see another patch of black marks. That's from this. So for a stock, locked up 327, like it gets down for what it is.
Yeah. Gets better every year.
It sounds so good. This seems oddly familiar.
A year ago.
Yeah. The walk back to the house after we dropped the Chevelle off. But Bobby is
He's so excited.
so excited. Like I said, he drives this car every day. He goes somewhere in it every single day. And I just freaking love it. Like, so now I just feel like it's more legit. Like it's got a badass shifter in it. It's got really good exhaust on it. It sounds incredible. Now he can just keep making it better.
Zip up and down the road at midnight.
Yeah. Not with one open header and one muffler.
Yeah.
Now we got to see what Bobby tears up next. And we'll just keep replacing stuff little by little. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time.
I hear him.
Yeah, he's already going to drive it. He's about to leave.
He just screamed it.
Yeah, he did. He's literally going to drive it right now.